This is gooey, cheesy sheet pan pizza. First, we're going to start with making our sauce. First, slice up some garlic. So first you're going to put some olive oil into your pan. And you're going to wait for it to shimmer. Okay, so you're going to add in your sliced up garlic. Just move it around and cook it until it's fragrant. So you're going to add in about, I'm doing half a teaspoon of chili flakes, but you can do a little more if you want. And you're just going to stir it all together for about 30 seconds. You're going to add in a can of peeled San Marzano tomatoes. So next you want to add in a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of onion powder. And just mix it all in. Next, you're going to make your dough. For your dough, you'll need to start making a yeast mixture. To 425 grams of warm water, add in 5 grams of dry yeast. Stir it together and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add in 133 grams of olive oil and 15 grams of honey. Mix it up and let it rest for another 5 minutes. Transfer your yeasty mixture to a large enough bowl and add in 565 grams of all-purpose flour. Start kneading and mixing everything until a cohesive dough forms. Once a dough forms, add your dough to an oiled proofing box and let it rest overnight. To give your pizza a classic crust, mix together 1 cup of cornmeal and add in 4 grams of salt and dust it over an oiled baking sheet. Next, lay out your dough. It should be very pliable and easily stretch out onto your baking sheet. Once you've stretched out your dough, spread on a thick layer of your pizza sauce. Next, shred your cheese and layer it on top of your pizza sauce. Only buy the best mozzarella cheese possible. Once your pizza has been assembled, place the sheet on a burner for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will crisp up the bottom. Cover up your pizza with another sheet pan and place it into a 420-degree oven for about 20 minutes. The sheet pan will protect your cheese from getting burnt. After 20 minutes has passed, you can take off the extra sheet and let it cook for another 20 minutes in the oven until golden and cheesy. Lastly, to give your pizza a garlicky flavor, mix together garlic salt and citric acid. Then brush it on your pizza crust.